Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Waheed Zaman from Life Golden Thread. This is part 1 of my talk on the series of talks on qualities and traits of greatness using the smile from the nature. If you want to achieve greatness in this world, nature based metaphor give us the inspiration to become great. Nature has taught us that how can we possess the qualities of greatness. To achieve greatness, you should live on this planet like a cloud. I have inferred this metaphor from the writings of great scholar Abdullah Yusuf Ali. What is that metaphor? Live like a cloud that catches the glory of the sun, but it throws the protecting shade on all. Subscribe my channel Life Golden Thread. I will be bringing more nature based metaphors to incorporate principles, insights, and connectedness to thrive ourselves as a great human being on this planet. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.